Got a little bit of rotted wood around the chimney. We'll also be scabbing on this 2x4. And unfortunately, looks like the last guy knew. He knew about it. See, and this probably had a little bit of mildew, wasn't rotted all the way out, and he just replaced this piece thinking this would be all right. Well, after it deteriorates more over time, I mean, you got this, you know. So don't cut corners, just like this spot. Solid, but it's got to go. It's coming apart. Yep. Do it right the first time. The next guy will respect you. Homeowners love it when you do it right. Just take a little bit extra time.